This is a new LSP pull stop box, and I wanted to demonstrate on how you can repair and replace the valve without having to tear into the wall or cut the box out. We made this box fully repairable and replaceable if you need to get into and replace that valve. Now what you do is you're going to obviously turn the water off on the building. Go ahead and do that. Now to turn the valve itself off, you just pull the knob out, and now your water's off. If you just unthread the handle on the valve arm, it's real easy to take off. And the escutcheon will just come, and there's some ribs that hold it on the inside the box that just pops and comes right out. Now, there's a Phillips screw right here on this valve block, and this is what holds the valve in place. So if you just take a Phillips screwdriver and loosen your screw up, the valve block will now be able to be pulled right out of the box. You can pull that right out, and now you can access the valve without having to tear and take the box itself and the fitting out of the wall. So the valve is totally accessible, replaceable, repairable. These are standard O-rings. You can replace the O-rings themselves if you need be. And there's 3 of them to ensure a proper seal, and we have a 5-year warranty on this because of the 3 O-rings. Now, an additional safety feature on the box is a 4th O-ring as well on the fitting, and all this does is seal the box to ensure a watertight box seal. So if you do have any type of leak inside on the valve or on your connection, then you're for sure never going to have a leak into the wall itself. And what we've done is when you're ready to replace that valve, you're just going to go ahead and push that back in on a replacement valve and put your block back in and tighten up your screw. Very important to tighten that screw back up. And when you're ready to put your escutcheon back on, you just align that valve handle arm, and the escutcheon fits right through on the square piece there. Take your handle, give at least 4 turns on your screw, and when you're ready to turn the water on, you just go ahead and push this knob in, and now obviously you need to turn the water back on your building. Now, like I was saying with the O-ring seal inside, if you do develop a leak in here, water will never go behind the wall on you. Now, if you notice these 2 notches, there's one on the top and then additional one on the bottom. Those are weep holes, so you'll be able to see water dripping out the front if you do have a problem on this. This is the new LSP pull stop box, pullstopbox.com. Check us out.